Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Chrome tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Gemini in the address bar here in Google Chrome. Now, if you're not sure what Google Gemini is, it's Google's AI-powered chatbot assistant. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, do make sure you are running on the most recent version of Google Chrome because this isn't available in earlier versions. And head up to the address bar and I'll left click in there. And what we need to do is hit the @ symbol on our keyboard. So for myself, that is Shift and 2. It'll give us the @ symbol there. And if I come down here, you'll see the option that says @Gemini, Ask Gemini. So we can go ahead and left click on that. And you can see it says enter a question. So you can start a conversation with the chatbot right here. I'll enter a question, list 10 party theme ideas, and then we'll hit enter. And it's going to take us right into Gemini and give us those answers. Now from here, we can continue a conversation with the chatbot. So down at the bottom, ask Gemini. Maybe I'll ask it for some color themes for these parties. We'll hit enter and it'll add that into the conversation as well. So it's really a great feature. It's quick access to Google Gemini. So I hope this quick tutorial of how to use Google Gemini in the address bar of Google Chrome helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.